2.3 helpful video notes. All right, so in 2.3, remember we're throwing objects up from a height. You have multiple variables to consider, and we're going to work through these problems together, so get your calculator ready. Mine's right here. You need a calculator for this class. Get one. All right, so remember that a lot of these are going to be linked, and I didn't put arrows between these, so be careful. Sorry. There are three primary situations, and we're going to tackle each one at a time. So, given y naught and v naught. So, situation one is if you are given y naught and v naught. You have to find tu, time up, which is negative v naught over a, or, not linked together, find height, which is negative v naught squared divided by 2a plus y naught. Then this is linked. You have to find time down using that ultimate height. Then find the total time. Now, velocity at the bottom can be found in two ways, either using y or time down. But remember that time down already used y, so it'll be a double rounding error. So the equation that we would rather you use to find the velocity at the bottom is a negative square root of 2ay, because count the links, because a link is a rounding error, because this is going to be a rounded value, and you're going to use it to get this to be a rounded value. Now you're at 2. Then if you use it again, now you're at 3. Okay? So, example situation. A pumpkin is shot up at 30 meters per second from the edge of a cliff 30 meters high. How long is it in the air? How high does it go? How fast will it smash into the bottom of the cliff? Let's do this together. I need a new equation. New equation. Pop that back up. Give us a little more space. So the first thing I want to find is time up. Time up should equal negative 30 divided by negative 9.8. Always keep in mind what direction you're going. Negative 30 divided by negative 9.8 should be 3.061 seconds. Okay. That's my time up. Now, my height, and this is a new equation. My height is equal to the fraction of negative 30 squared. Get back down here. Negative 30 squared over 2 times a negative 9.8 plus 30 plus that initial height. Be very careful when you put this into your calculator. If you're typing it straight in, you're going to need double parentheses, or at least parentheses around the fraction plus the other 30. So this is negative 30 squared divided by, okay, so I was in my handy dandy calculator, right? Put parentheses, negative 30 squared divided by 2 times a negative 9.8. And since it's all multiplication and division, it's okay to, well, no, it's not. So you need a double parenthesis here. You've got to have parentheses around the 2 times 9.8 and then around the top, then or around the fraction as a whole, and then you can add that 30 to it, and you should get 75.918 meters. Okay, so that's its ultimate height. That's how high it will go. How fast will it smash into the ground? That's going to use our y, so that is linked. So the velocity at the bottom is equal to the negative square root of 2 times a 9.8, because remember, if it's dropping or falling, everything can be positive and it's okay. 75.918. Grab that handy dandy calculator that I know you went out and got because you're told to, because you need it. 75.918, and you should get a negative equals a negative 38.57 meters per second. Then we do need to find our time down, right? So time down, we're also going to use the height to find. Time down is the square root of the fraction of 2 times y, which is 75.918, divided by 9.8. And again, everything could be positive and it's okay. Square root of 2 times 75.918 divided by 9.8, and we get 3.936 seconds, so that then our total time is equal to time up plus time down, which will be 3.061 plus 3.936 to be 6.997 seconds. All right, so how long is it in the air? This first question here, color code some things, is this answer, the total time of 6.9, that didn't work. 6.997 seconds. How high does it go is the ultimate height here of 75 point, why does this not work the first time? 75.918 meters. And how fast will it smash into the bottom of the cliff? If we're given blue, should be this velocity at the bottom, blue. All right, so that is situation 1. Hope this helps. Thanks for watching.